Hello and welcome to Affluence Avenue, where our goal is to inspire, educate, and entertain. In today's video, we'll explore 10 assets that are enabling people to achieve financial freedom, and the best part is, you can own them too. Firstly, let's understand that an asset puts money in your pocket, while a liability takes money out. Wealthy individuals focus on accumulating assets to grow their wealth. Now, let's delve into the first asset that has made many rich. Number 1, stocks. Also known as shares or equity, represent ownership in a company. When you own a stock, you essentially own a piece of the company. Companies issue stocks to raise capital for various purposes, such as expanding operations, investing in new projects, or paying off debt. Stocks have been a source of wealth for centuries. There are primarily two avenues through which individuals accumulate wealth using stocks. Firstly, if the value of the stocks of the company you own experiences an appreciation, such as going from $1 million to $5 million, your 5% ownership stake similarly increases from $50,000 to $250,000. An alternative method for individuals to generate income from stocks is by receiving dividends. Numerous companies allocate a portion of their profits to shareholders periodically. Investors benefiting from dividends receive a payment, augmenting their investment growth. This passive income can be utilized for personal expenses, or investors may opt to reinvest the dividends, facilitating the compounding of their earnings over time. Number 2, bonds. Unlike stocks, bonds represent a debt that a company owes you. They are considered safer investments, providing a fixed return. Bonds are bought and sold on major stock exchanges. Due to their generally secure nature for investments, bonds also yield a lower return on investment when compared to shares, averaging between 3%, 7% per year. Investors incorporate bonds into their investment portfolios to diversify and mitigate overall risk. Moreover, bonds are tradable on major stock exchanges similar to stocks. Number 3, real estate. This has been a wealth-building tool for years. One method involves renting out your property to tenants, generating a yearly income without requiring continuous effort, essentially making it passive income. The second approach to wealth accumulation through real estate involves leveraging debt. Many investors opt for loans to purchase a property, enabling them to acquire it even if they don't have the full amount. Meanwhile, tenants contribute to repaying the loan, gradually increasing the investor's equity in the property. Number 4, REITs or real estate investment trusts. For those who want to invest in real estate without dealing with management, REITs are a great option. These are companies that own and operate real estate properties, and investors can buy shares and receive dividends. A REIT operates similarly to a stock. When an investor purchases a REIT, they acquire a share in a company responsible for owning and overseeing real estate properties. This company gathers the generated cash flow from its properties and disperses the earnings to shareholders in the form of dividends. Real estate investment trusts are also tradable on major public exchanges, simplifying the buying and selling process. Number 5, start a business. Establishing and growing their own businesses stands out as one of the primary methods people employ to generate income. While initiating and expanding a business is generally not a passive endeavor, significant effort is required. However, if executed strategically, it's possible to systemize the business, transforming it into a passive income-generating asset. Number 6, index funds. These are categorized as mutual funds and mirror or trail a segment of the financial market, such as the S&P 500, which monitors the 500 largest companies in the United States. Consequently, if one company experiences a 20% loss in value, your overall investment remains unaffected. The advantages of investing in an index fund include, firstly, instant diversification. By investing in an entire sector of the market rather than a single company, your investment becomes more secure compared to concentrating all funds in one entity. Secondly, low operating expenses. As this type of fund follows a market sector, It operates without the need for active management. This translates to minimal management fees, preserving a larger portion of your profits. Number 7. Patents or trademarks. If you possess an invention with the potential for profitability, you have the option to secure it by filing for a patent. This legal protection ensures that companies seeking to utilize your invention must compensate you. Your invention, whether it's an idea, a product, or software, becomes a source of revenue through patent licensing if it holds marketable value. In contrast, trademarks safeguard different assets like logos, names, and even phrases. Numerous widely recognized catchphrases are officially trademarked, solidifying their legal protection. Number 8. Digital products. The realm of digital products is evolving into a substantial asset for both businesses and individuals alike. Observe how some of the most prominent figures, such as celebrities and entrepreneurs, Dame and John being a notable example, are venturing into the digital information business. The rationale behind this shift is the highly lucrative nature of digital products. These assets afford the opportunity to create content once and reap continuous profits in a passive manner, making them an increasingly attractive avenue for financial success. Number 9. Copyrights. These serve as a safeguard for intellectual property, encompassing creations like books, music, and poetry, among other forms. This legal protection transforms copyrights into valuable assets, as they can be licensed out in exchange for royalties. A notable illustration of this is J.K. Rowling, the renowned author of the Harry Potter book series, who continues to receive royalties each time a copy of her book is purchased. Number 10. Social media. This phenomenon is relatively recent. A few years back, many individuals doubted its viability. However, as influencers started earning comparable amounts to A-list celebrities, perceptions shifted. Now celebrities are venturing into the realm of social media influencing. The allure of social media extends beyond its massive reach. It lies in the profound relationships that can be cultivated on these platforms. This capability is both incredible and immensely valuable. The beauty of social media lies in its lack of entry barriers. Anyone can leverage these platforms to establish successful businesses. Armed with just a smartphone camera, anyone can initiate the creation of income-generating assets through social media. So there you have it, 10 assets that can lead you to financial freedom. We appreciate your time spent watching this video. Please consider sharing, liking, and subscribing for more similar content. Your engagement helps us create content you love. Thank you for being part of our community.